is for apple. Crunchy, juicy, and the best excuse for avoiding doctors. B is for balloon. It floats, it pops, and it's always the life of the party. C is for cat, the internet's favorite animal and master of napping. D is for dragon, fire-breathing, treasure-hoarding, and way cooler than dinosaurs. E is for elephant, big ears, big heart, and a memory sharper than yours. F is for fire, warm and cozy, but don't play with it unless you're a dragon. G is for guitar, strum it, pluck it, or pretend you're a rock star. H is for honey, sweet, sticky, and worth every bee's hard work. I is for ice cream, the ultimate cure for bad days and brain freezes. J is for jellyfish, no bones, no brain, but still a legend in the ocean. Kangaroo, the hopping champion of Australia with built-in baby pockets. L is for lightning, fast, furious, and nature's way of showing off. M is for moon, glowing, mysterious, and the reason werewolves have night jobs. N is for ninja, silent, swift, and always one step ahead. Where did they go? O is for octopus, 8 arms, 3 hearts, and a mind that's almost too smart. P is for pizza, the only food that's perfect at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Q is for queen, royal, regal, and always ruling with style. R is for rocket, blasting off to space and making astronauts' dreams come true. S is for sun, the reason you need sunglasses and sunscreen. T is for tiger, striped, fierce, and the king of jungle fashion. T is for umbrella, your best friend on rainy days and Mary Poppins' secret weapon. V is for volcano, Earth's way of saying no. Surprise? I'm still active. W is for whale, the biggest animal in the ocean with the best singing voice. X is for xylophone, the instrument that makes every song sound like a cartoon. watching. Subscribe now.